Welcome back, guys, to this new video to express. Today I'm going to show you a very easy way how to get started with the Fiverr element. A really great tutorial how to make money online for beginners. I'm not going to be focusing a lot into how to actually create an account, but how to actually get your first deal here into Fiverr. And there is no secret that you don't know already. So the first thing to do, I'm going to sign in directly into a Fiverr account that we already currently have to make this process much more faster. Then the next thing to do, once you have created your account, I'm going to be giving you just a few foundation for success, which is a professional photo. You need a professional photo, guys. I will ask them to use a clear professional headshot, not a selfie or a blurry photo, to build trust. If you know a friend or somebody from your family, or you have an actual skills for making pictures, take yourself a picture to get a professional photo and build more credibility. The second thing is to get the keyword rich bio. I will instruct them to craft a bio that focuses on the client need and how the skills can solve a problem. For example, if I go directly into my profile, you should see that here into my profile we have a great review, located in Mexico. We don't have now that. Let's go, for example, back into switch to selling, so you can see the pre-full view profile cost for myself. So here, taking my time to work on your product until you're happy is my goal. Now this is going to be really great, but the problem is that I don't talk about how my skills can solve this problem. So I wanted to talk to them about, I will recommend using keywords that a client might search for. Or what you can do is to open, for example, ChatGPT, open a new tab. Let's say, for example, I need help creating a Fiverr keyword for my account. Help me generate one that, let's say, aligns with my profile. And then you do, let's say, for example, I work as a video editor, let's say, and whatever. Yeah, let's say that we can create design content, whatever. And here's now my response. Professional, skilled video editor and content creator with a passion to turn ideas for visual elements. So just copy all of this element, edit my details, and here into the description what you can do is to just paste that element and you are good. Then I'm gonna hit into save. There we go. So this one looks so much more professional. Now the second thing you need to do is to create a high converting gig. This is the most crucial part of the process. So I will explain that a gig is, let's say, like a product page. So a product page is, for example, like people wanted to purchase a product, but they didn't want just to purchase an actual product. They wanted to purchase the best product at the best price. So what you wanted to do is to go for the option that says gigs. Let's go for create a new gig. Select the gig, and what you can do now is to hit into the option that says edit. Now here, this is just an example of what we do for this specific gig title. Give yourself an actual title that looks really well, a great category, a great service type, and what is the gig made data. The search tag is going to be really important for buyers looking for an actual services. Save that element, and then what you wanted to do is to aim for, let's say, the pricing. Now here into the pricing, you can of course choose a plan. You can choose more plan, the packages, what you actually offer, extra services. If you're just getting started, what I can totally recommend you is to not charge a lot, because what you wanted to do is to get a client rather than money at first. Once you finish with this element, what you want to do is to enter the description, what you do, what you offer, and here you have the actual requirements. For example, if you order of a business, what your industry is, this order part of a bigger part on your working, whatever. And lastly, here's the gallery. The gallery, once again, is like a product. What you wanted to do is to aim for audio, images of what you're actually offering, the documents of what you currently have, video all in one, and try to use that information as much as you can possibly can. Once you finish with this information, hit into the option that says save, and of course go for save and preview so you can see how it actually looks, your Fiverr element. So in my case, I think that my gig is now being created. Here's how it actually looks. About the gig, know myself, the portfolio, and there you have it. With this information, what you can do now is to here for the option that says share my gig or edit my gig, and you can see that my gig should be now generated automatically. So there you have it, guys. This is how we can actually get started earning money here into Fiverr, and you can get, I can totally suggest you, I can show you guys that you can get your first gig already been generated. So guys, with this being said, we have now reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel so we can see more great tutorials like this. Thank you so much once again, and hopefully we can all see you guys next time.